Welcome back to Redbeard Survival and Outdoors. Today we will be figuring out what we're putting in the indoor garage greenhouse. So what we're going to be putting in there, and this is just a rough estimate because I don't have all the planters I want yet, but we're going to start off with 2 peppers, 1 basil, 2 broccoli, 1 cherry tomato, which I'm probably going to try to trellis around the greenhouse. Hopefully that'll work. 1 zucchini, 1 winter squash, and carrots. Now the carrots I do not have a planter for yet, but I'm going to try to do them in one of the round ones. We'll see. We'll see how it works. And then there's a maybe on here for cantaloupe. The only reason I said maybe on the cantaloupe is because that would be extremely hard to go out and pollinate and try to keep it where it needs to be moist-wise. So that's a maybe. I might try it just to try it. But that is what is going to be going in there. So you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 things. I have a few different pots in there. I might do a couple other ones, but what seeds we're going to be using. Seed Vault. This is the Seed Vault kit from Gardener's Basic, non-GMO, which is huge. They're all, it says over 16,000 heirloom seeds, 35 garden varieties. You got basil, bean, beet, bib lettuce, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, bush beans, cabbage, which might do some bush beans. Oh, there you go. Cabbage, cantaloupe, carrot, cauliflower, celery, cherry tomato, corn, cucumber, eggplant, French breakfast radish, kale, calabre, I always pronounce that wrong. Loose leaf lettuce, okra, onion, parsnip, paste tomato, pea, pepper, pumpkin, romaine lettuce, round red radish, spinach, Swiss chard, turnip, watermelon, winter squash, and zucchini. I got this off of Amazon. I will post the link in the description as well. On the back it says, it just says 35 varieties of fruit and vegetable and fruit seeds, ideal for starting a garden or storing for future use. Heirloom, non-GMO, open pollinated seeds. Harvest your seeds to grow future gardens. So what that means is you can take the seeds from the plants, dry them out, keep them, and then you can replant them, and then you'll get the same. A lot of things in stores nowadays, they have it to where you cannot replant the seeds that come with it. I know some tomatoes you can cut in half, put in the garden, and you'll grow them. I did that last year. It was pretty sweet. But there is some that I tried that didn't grow at all. You know, there's some peppers out there that won't do it. Zucchini won't do it. It's just, they just don't want you to do it by yourself. It says USA, heirloom seeds proudly grown and packaged in the US. So this will be our seed distribution this year. And I'm probably going to use these in the raised garden outside as well. So with that being said, let's get to planting. I'll see you guys upstairs. All right, guys. So I got picked out what we're going to put in each of these planters. We got a zucchini in the front, a pepper here, broccoli, another pepper, another broccoli, the winter squash, cabbage, cherry tomatoes, the basil, carrot, and I'm going to try the cantaloupe. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get everything planted up, and then I'll just take pictures and put it in here at the end. But yeah, next video, I'm going to try to make a watering system that all I have to do is fill up the bucket. So as for me, stay at the ready. I'll see you guys on the next one. Out.